Sup kids who technical, I'm back again with another video. As you can see, I have my two final cases from Zizo, and this is from their Division series line of cases. So pretty much we're going to unbox these, and I'm going to show you what they look like on the phone. So you can pause the video and read that information for yourself if you want to. So first, let's open up this black and red one. Woo! And that does look pretty. Not pretty, that looks pretty. So if you are a fan of red, you will love this case. I'm really not a fan of red. Red is a nice color, but you know, blue is my favorite color. But this case looks and feels amazing. This almost feels like carbon fiber down here, but I know it's probably not. But man, this case looks and feels awesome. So now I'm going to pick up my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the device. Man, that thing looks so pretty. Look at that. That's sexy. So anyways, you do get your power button. Nice and clicky. That's very nice and clicky. Down here, you get all your cutouts that you would need. Down here, over here, you get your volume up and down button. Of course, they are nice and clicky. Also, you get your alert slider, which is good to go. On the back here, you do have a nice deep cutout for your camera. You have this nice little, I wish you guys could feel what I'm feeling. This feels so nice. You hear that? This feels so nice. This is some good material here. And if you place your phone flat down on the table, you should be good to go because you have a nice deep camera bump. And if you place your phone flat down on the face of the table, you should be good to go because you do have a okay size lip on the front. Like I always say, I just recommend you get a screen protector, and you should be even more protected. But I really overall like the way this Division case looks and feels. This is the red on black. So now let's take it over to the final case, which is still in the Division series, but this is some kind of girly, super girly looking case. They actually sent me over two of these cases, so I'm just going to unbox one at the moment. And you also get a lanyard for your a strap for your lanyard loop. I won't need that right now, but this is what this case looks like. This, like I said, these are the Division series, so these two are the exact same style. This just has a different colorway, which this has glitter down here at the bottom, then it's white here, and then it has a clear bumper around it. So pretty much, let's place my iPhone 13 in like so, and this is what this case will look like. If you're into that kind of thing, this is a nice case. I'm just not a big fan of all that glitter down there, but it is nice for somebody that's into that. But this is a nice colorway. But anyways, you do get your power button, nice and clicky. On this side, you do get your volume up and down button, and you also know those are nice and clicky. You get your alert slider button. That's nice. Easy access. You get a deep camera cutout on the back, and this has a nice size lip, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you should be good to go. And if you place your phone flat on its back, you're definitely good to go. And one thing that I have been forgetting to do is wireless charging, so I'm going to bring it in and test out wireless charging. And just like that, this does have wireless charging. So rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.